Hello everyone, my name is Anita. Welcome to Inadu ePratibha. Inadu ePratibha is a next generation exam preparation platform from the house of Inadu. It is most reliable source for the students preparing for competitive exams and other entrance exams, which are all the subjects required for the particular exam from the very basic level to advanced level. Let's get into the topic. Okay, so today our topic is classification, friends. Okay, so classification means like odd one out. Okay, so classification means definitely in your questions they are giving some options, friends. Okay, so in the given options we need to classify which one is the that means which options are related to same and which one is having different one. Okay, so we need to find out that way, right? So classification means we need to find out the different one out of the given. Okay, so like same odd one out, friends. Okay, so then let's start our session. Yes, see here, friends. So here they are giving some basic information related to your classification topic, right? So see here. So in each of the following questions, 5 words have been given, out of which 4 are alike in some manner, while the 5th one is different. Okay, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, that means see here, friends, in your questions they are giving 5 options. Out of 5, 4 is following same type of information or same manner. So that means they all follow same type of logic in some manner, right? But only one option related information is not follows that same type, right? So we need to find out the different one, friends. Okay, so out of 5, 4 same, one is the different one. We need to find out the different one, that means like odd one out. Okay, so see here, what's our first question? Choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, so here they are giving 5 options, friends. Okay, so first we need to check option related information, then we need to find out the different one out of the 5 given. Okay, so see here, first one is chicken, then snake, swan, crocodile, frog. Okay, so out of these 5 we need to find out the different one, right? Yes, see here. So okay, so chicken stays on earth only, right? Then snake is snakes on earth and in water also. Okay, so in sometimes we are seeing snakes on water, sometimes we are seeing snakes on trees, and sometimes we are seeing snakes on earth. Okay, so that means snakes are both related. Then next swan, definitely we are seeing swans in water only, right? Then crocodiles, same, crocodiles also stays in water and outside also, right? Yes, frogs also inside of water and outside of water stays. Okay, that means out of these 5 except chicken, so remaining 4 are stays in water or outside of water also, right? That means these 4 are having that type of capacity, right? That means these 4 are lives in water sometimes and sometimes they are on earth also. Okay, but chicken is not like that, right? So chicken is definitely lives on earth only, right? That chicken is not in water. Okay, so definitely our answer for this question is chicken only, right? So these four is having same type of property, but only chicken is not having that. So our answer for this question is chicken. Okay, next question. Yes, this is our next question. Yes, choose a word which is different from the rest. Okay, so here also same, we need to find out the different one out of the given 5 options, right? So here first one, cap, turban, helmet, veil, hat. Okay, see here, friends, so here they are giving some properties, right? So cap is related to head. Okay, so cap is wear on head only, right? So related to head. So turban also related to head only, so this is also wear on head only. That helmet is also wear on head only. Then veil is related to face, right? Face. And then hat is also related to head only. Okay, right, that means except veil, remaining 4 are related to head properties, friends. Okay, only veil is related to face property, right? So answer for this question is veil. Okay, next question. Yes, this is the next question. Choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, see here, friends, so here we are having kiwi, eagle, emu, ostrich. Okay, see here, friends, first name kiwi. So here kiwi means, generally we are thinking kiwi is a fruit name, right? Yes, okay, yes, perfectly. So kiwi, we are having fruit name kiwi, but we are having a bird also. Okay, so same name related bird also is there, friends. Okay, so some kiwi birds are there. So we are having that type of birds also. Okay, then like a kiwi name. Okay, then eagle. So eagles are also birds. Then emu, ostrich, right? So out of these four, so which one is the different means? Definitely emu is the different one, friends. Okay, why? Because see here, kiwis are flies on the sky, right? Eagle also same, flies on sky. Then ostrich also having capacity to fly. Okay, but emu is not having the type of capacity, right? So emu is the different one, friends. Okay, yes. The next one, yes, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, so here also we are having 5 options. Out of 5 we need to find out the different one, right? So see here, so option related information, first one is Rig Veda, then Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, and Ayurveda and Samveda. Okay, so out of these 5 we need to find out the different one, friends. Okay, so see here, so here all words are end with Veda only, but all are not related to same. Why? See here, friends, so Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda and Samaveda, these 4 are related to Vedas. Okay, so these 4 are related to Vedas, but Ayurveda is related to medicine, right? So medicine related, Ayurveda medicine, right? So that is related to medicine, but remaining 4 are Vedas, friends. Okay, so these 4 are names of Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda and Samaveda. Okay, but Ayurveda is the different one that is related to medicine. Okay, so option D is the different answer. Okay, so that is the answer for this question. The next question. Yes, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, choose the word which is different from the rest. So curd, butter, oil, cheese, cream. Okay, curd, butter, oil, cheese, cream. So see here, friends. So curd is related to milk, right? So this is related to milk. Next, butter is also related to milk only. Then oil is not related to milk, right? Then next, cheese. So cheese also related to milk item and cream also related to milk. Okay, that means except oil, remaining 4 are related to milk items, friends. Okay, these 4 are related to milk, but only oil is not related to milk property, right? So oil is the different answer. So oil is the answer for this question, friends. Okay, that is the odd one. The next one. Yes, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, so here potassium, silicon, zirconium, gallium and germanium. Okay, see here, friends, so they are giving some metal names, right? So see here, so except first metal, remaining 4 are used in semiconductor devices, right? So used in okay, so except potassium, remaining 4 are used in semiconductor devices, friends. Okay, only potassium is the different one, right? So my answer for this question is potassium, friends. Okay, yes. The next one, yes, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, so we need to find out the different from out of 5, friends. Okay, see here, so first option is tea, second one cinchona, and then rubber, cardamom and chalk. Okay, so see here, friends. Okay, tea is related to drink purpose, right? Then cinchona, okay, then rubber and cardamom and chalk. So that means what is the different one out of this 5? So see here, friends, first one is come from plants, right? So from plants, that means crop related, right? Yes, so that is the better one. Okay, so crop related. The next one, cinchona is also same, crop related, and rubber is also same, crop related, and cardamom is also same, crop related, but chalk is not related to crop, right? So first 4 options related information, tea, cinchona, rubber, cardamom are related to crop related, but chalk is not related to crop. So answer for this question is a chalk, friends. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Okay, then need to take our next question. Yes, this is the next question, question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, choose the word which is different from the rest. So here we are having 5 options. So first one is hanger, then platform, dock, park, bus stand. Okay, so see here, friends, except park, remaining 4 are related to transport purpose. Okay, transport related. So bus stand means for transportation, definitely we are going to bus stands, right? So docks again same. So for same transport purpose. Platforms, again, if we want to go to some to definitely for traveling purpose. Okay, for transport purpose, definitely we are going to platforms, and hangar also same, related to same, right? That means these three, these four are related to transport. But only park is not like that, right? So park is for different purpose, right? So remaining four are related to transport purpose. Okay, so my answer for this question is park, friends. Okay, next question. Yes, next question, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, so here we are having sparrow, swan, parrot, quail. Okay, see here, friends, so here all are related to bird related, but what is the different one means? So swan is the different one, friends. Why? Because sparrow, parrot, quail are flies on sky, right? But swan is stays in water only, right? So swan is the answer. Different one is swan. Okay, the next one. Yes, choose the word which is different from the rest. Okay, out of 5, they are giving 5 options. Out of the given 5 options, we need to find out the different one, friends. Okay, so here first one is tall, second huge, thin, sharp, small. So which one is the different one? So tall means height indication, right? That means if for example, in case if you want to decide height of any person, that means particular property, friends. So height related information, definitely we are using tall or short. Okay, then huge, thin. So huge means more, right? Thin means less. Okay, yes. Then small means small size. Okay, so little size, right? So that means these 4 indicates size of a particular person or particular thing or particular element, right? But sharp is the different one, right? So sharp is the different one. So these 4 are related to some different property, right? Sharp is the different one. So answer for this question is sharp.